Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
This guide shows how to update Word 2007 to the latest Word step by step. First, check that your PC runs Windows 10 or Windows 11. Also confirm Mac OS versions if you use a Mac. Next, decide between Microsoft 365 at $9.99 per year versus Office 2021 one-time $49.99. Back up your documents to an external drive or cloud storage before you start. Verify you have at least 10 GB free disk space for the installer. Keep your Microsoft account credentials ready to sign in. Sign in to your Microsoft account to buy Microsoft 365 or to redeem an Office 2021 key. Choose the subscription at $9.99 per year or the one-time Office 2021 purchase for $49.99. After purchase, go to Services and Subscriptions to download the installer file. Right-click the installer and run it as administrator to allow system changes. Keep your internet connection stable during download and installation for best results. Follow the on-screen prompts and accept the license agreement when requested. After installation, launch Word and activate it by signing in with the same Microsoft account you used to purchase. If you bought a product key, enter it exactly as shown to activate Office. Enable Auto Update in Word settings to receive future security patches automatically. Transfer your templates, macros, and quick access toolbar customizations from backups to the new installation. Test crucial documents for layout or font shifts and install the compatibility pack if needed. Finally, uninstall Office 2007 if you no longer need it, and keep a recovery drive for.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.